The next notation what we are going to learn or discuss about is the factorial notation. Now word factorial is very familiar to you all. Suppose I have to calculate the value of 5 factorial. How it is to be calculated? It is nothing but the product of the number in the decreasing order, right? So how I calculate the 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It is never 0 because 0 factorial is also 1. 1 factorial is also 1. So lastly, everywhere you will be getting down the number as 1. So 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Taking the product in continuation in the decreasing order. Similarly, if I have to calculate 100 factorial, 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 up to 1, that will be giving you the value of the factorial. Similarly, going on the parallel lines with the word factorial or the definition, I will be now defining the factorial notation, which will be applicable for the variable. So what does this factorial notation tells us? The continued product of n factors in arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression, of which first factor is x and successive factor decrease by constant 1. So suppose there are n factors in arithmetic progression, that means difference between the two will always be constant. First factor is x and successive factor decrease by constant 1. Why we take 1? We take the value 1 by assuming the interval of differencing as unity. Generally, it is more convenient to take the difference of the interval as 1, that is unity. So we take 1 by assuming interval of differencing as unity 1. So accordingly, this particular notation, whenever it will be written in this manner, will be called as the value or the notation as factorial notation. So it is nothing but factorial notation of x of nth degree, which is denoted by x to the power n factorial. How to distinguish between x to the power n and x to the power n factorial? X to the power n is simply x raised to n. X to the power n written in round bracket or parenthesis is read as x to the power n factorial. So whenever I have to write down or denote the factorial notation, it will be x to the power n factorial. Simple x to the power n will be written like this, right? So continued product of n factors in arithmetic progression, of which first factor is x and successive factor decrease by constant 1, purposely taken difference of interval as unity, is called factorial notation of x of nth degree, denoted by x to the power n written in bracket, read as x to the power n factorial. So how to write x to the power n factorial? N factors to be taken in decreasing order as a product. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 up to x minus of n minus 1. So that will be nothing but the product, continued product written in the factorial notation form. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 up to x minus of n minus 1th term, the previous term, right? X of 0 means x of 0 factorial will be 1. ठीक है, n का वैल्यू 0 ले लीजिए. So accordingly it will be done. X of 1 is x. X of 2 factorial is x into x minus 1. X of 3 factorial is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 and so on. So this is called as factorial notation, and these are the very simple direct preliminary results which we can obtain from the definition. What do we understand by the factorial polynomial? A polynomial, when expressed in the form containing factorial notation, is called as factorial polynomial. So in general, polynomial is ax to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1. But here I am putting them in the bracket. So it will be not a simple polynomial. It will be a factorial polynomial. A polynomial in the form a polynomial in the form a0 x to the power n factorial, a1 x to the power n minus 1 factorial, a2 x to the power n minus 2 factorial, dot 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 plus an x to the power 0 factorial is called factorial polynomial. So for n is equal to 0, x to the power n factorial will be simply x to the power n, because see here, x to the power 1 is x. So x to the power n factorial will be simply x to the power n when it is x to the power 0, right? N is equal to 0. See, x to the power 0 factorial is nothing but 1, right? Here I have written, and x to the power 0 is also 1. So ultimately x to the power n factorial and x to the power n will be same when n is equal to 0. But how to simplify when certain operators are performed or operated on this factorial notation? In general, for a simple polynomial x to the power n, when I used to differentiate that, it used to get reduced. Derivative of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So similarly, for factorial polynomial, if I apply delta, which is the forward difference operator, it will also reduce the function, but in the factorial notation. Delta operated on x to the power n factorial is n into x to the power n minus 1 factorial. X to the power n minus 1 and x to the power n minus 1 factorial are two different quantities. X square is different and x to the power 2 factorial is different, right? So similarly, when d dx is operated on x to the power n, it is n into x to the power n minus 1. Analogous to d dx, delta is the forward difference operator operated on for factorial notation. So delta of x to the power n factorial is n into x to the power n minus 1 factorial. Reverse of derivative is integration, or inverse of derivative is integration. So inverse of delta is 1 upon delta. So 1 upon delta will act as integration. In integration, power get added. It becomes x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 when you do the integration. So when 1 upon delta is operated on factorial notation, it will be added and it is written as x to the power n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 1. This is how the operator delta acts on the factorial notation. D dx and integration acts on the polynomial. Delta, which is the forward difference operator, acts on the factorial notation. But derivative and delta are analogous to each other. Similarly, 1 by delta will be the inverse operator analogous to the integration as in case of a